Hey everyone, you know how I have been talking to you guys about this? My kids had gifted it to me for Mother's Day a few years ago, and I don't know why they make things like this out of this terrible material for outdoors. This was bought at Ross. So what I had an idea was to replace the existing, or were existing, teacups that were made out of I don't know what for real ones. So that's my idea. I'm gonna chip all this away, and I'm gonna try to glue it and see how it comes out, and I'll show you guys. So here are some things that I need to make, drill some holes in for drainage. My husband saw this, he grabbed it for me, so cute. And he told me that I, put a plant in it, because he knows I don't like big cups for coffee. And then I don't know if you guys saw my story, I found this beautiful little chick at the Goodwill. It's funny because I was saying in the Goodwill, it's only worth buying if it's less than what you would buy at Ross, right? Because it's pointless. Like, why would you pay more than what you would, or the same price as you would at Ross? So this was $3, so that was a good deal. I feel like it would be more at Ross. And then I was purposely looking for this specific, I was looking for a teapot for that, for what we're about to do today, what we're working on today. And so this is what I found, and I wanted the cups to be matching. I initially wanted the wider and lower cups, but I just kept looking and looking and never found it. So this is what I found, so that's gonna work. And then another fellow YouTuber sent me a package with some plants, and she sent me these beautiful cups as well for plants. Isn't it cute? So I have to make drainage on all these. But for now, we're just focusing on these because this is the project I'm working on. So let's I paid a total of $3 for the little teacup set. Salió. There you go. This material, you can tell it's a little bit tougher. It's not thick, it's just the material is just different than other ones. There's no chalkiness at all, so you can tell it's different. When they're chalky, it's so much more easier. Hey guys, as you can see, I made a mess. It splatters everywhere. So you can see the chalkiness that I was talking about. So this one was the most difficult. No chalkiness with that. No chalkiness with this. This was instantly, I was able to drill through it right away. So that was quick. This one was definitely quicker than this one, but this one was pretty quick as well. See the chalkiness in there. So that's it. Now I'm gonna clean these up and start gluing them. Hey guys, it's all done. So this teapot, putting it up here was a mission, because obviously it doesn't have something really to hold it on to while the glue is drying. So you'll definitely need both E6000 and hot glue. Hot glue obviously is not a permanent thing, because I feel that after all, hot glue outdoors does tend to fail you. But if you use a combination of E6000 and hot glue, it should work just fine. And these are glued on as well. These obviously they didn't need hot glue, but this did. So here it is, guys. So I have string of pearls, raindrops, and the string of bananas. And I think it's super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.